Welcome to the Survivor simulation. In this simulation, you're faced with the task of selecting the best materials possible to help you survive following a plane crash. First, you will do the item selection on your own. Then you'll get help from other passengers who also survived the crash. To begin the simulation, click on the Sim tab and read the on-screen instructions. Next, click on the paper to view the list of items to order. The main idea is to order the items on the list in terms of their most usefulness. To move an item on the list, simply click on the item and drag it up or down. Once you have the item in the proper position, release the item. The item will assume that position in the list. Continue doing this until you have ordered all of the items. Once you're happy with the list's order, click the Done button to see your results. Click the paper to move to the next screen. Now you'll receive help from other survivors to assist with the ordering of the items. First, read the on-screen instructions, then click the paper to begin your new ordering of the list. To receive help from others, click and hold on a person and a message will appear. Once you've read the message, click on the same individual or other people to see what they have to say about which items you should select first. Make sure to get lots of feedback from everyone to help your ordering of the list. Again, order the items on the list as you did previously. When finished, click the Done button and review your results.